Included in your Global Telecom LTE antenna box includes the Global Telecom antenna, mounting bracket, Ethernet cable, power line cable, power over Ethernet power adapter, setup guide, and a directional map to tell you where you need to point your antenna along with the elevation required to get good signal service. After you've unpacked the unit and all of its components from the box, make sure you have everything that you need. In order to set it up indoors, you want to locate the best position of your Global Telecom antenna inside the home based on the map given to you at time of pickup. First, you want to turn the antenna over and plug the included Ethernet cable that came in the box into the bottom of the antenna. Next, plug the cable into your power over Ethernet adapter. Finally, locate a power source in the home, plug one end of the power line adapter into the power over Ethernet adapter, and plug the other end into a wall. Once you have everything connected, make sure to plug in your Ethernet cable from your router into the LAN port and plug it into the WAN or internet port of your router. Ensure not to plug it in to the PoE port, as that sends electrical signal through the cable, which powers the antenna and could cause internal damage to your router. The easiest way to check signal strength on your Global Telecom outdoor antenna is by looking at the status lights on the back of the antenna. Your power, run, and sim light should be solid green. That indicates everything's working properly. Your LAN light will either be blinking or off, depending on what signal is being sent from the antenna to a router or a computing device. Your RF lights show your signal strength. The more lights means more power. When you're mounting your antenna outside, be sure to weatherize your cable properly. Start by grabbing your screw-on cap and placing it over the cable. Next, find your rubber grommet and wrap it around the cable as well. Finally, plug it into the bottom of the antenna. Push this into your gasket. This may be difficult depending on your situation. Finally, screw this tightly to ensure no liquid or precipitation can get into the unit. In order to mount your Global Telecom outdoor antenna, you will need to ensure you have everything from the mounting kit included in the box. Shown in the video here is everything that's included, but you will also need either a screwdriver or socket, a 10mm socket, and a 13mm socket. First, you want to take the back bracket and place it on top. Take 4 of your bolts and screw them on, securing the back bracket to the antenna. Make sure the bolts are tight, but do not over tighten, as you may strip the antenna. Next, take the outer bracket and your 2 U-bolts and adhere and screw the 2 U-bolts onto this bracket, using the instructions if you have any questions. Next, place the washer followed by the locking nut before putting on the bolt. This will ensure you have a tight connection to your post or pole. Make sure that this does not fall off your apparatus. And finally, the nut, to ensure that this stays secure and tight to your post or pole. Make sure when tightening these nuts, you're using a 13mm socket. Finally, place the outside mounting bracket that's attached to the pole and place it with the antenna. Do your final adjustments here by tilting it upwards or rotating it towards the location indicated in the map that was included in your instructions.